Hello friends, my name is Amit and today I am here to discuss about digital signature certificate. I'll tell you about the advantages of digital signature certificates and how you can sign your document. So let's begin. So we will cover the related contents mentioned here. First, we'll understand the definition of digital signature, then what is the benefit of digital signature, and then what are the digital signature certificates, why we need digital signature certificates, and the financial use of digital signature certificates, and what are the type of DSC tokens, which means digital signature certificate tokens. And in the end, if you have any query, we can always refer to that and provide your responses. So digital signature is an electronic form of physical signature. It can be used to authenticate the identity of a sender of a message and signing of a document. So digital signature comes in a form of USB token which you can carry anywhere you go, and it comes with a 1 or 2 years validity which can be renewed at the end of the expiry period, right? And it contains your information like name, address, email ID, PAN number, Aadhaar number, etc., and it is issued by the Ministry of Information Technology under the Information Technology Act 2000. Coming to the benefits of digital signature, the first benefit is that the original content of the message or the document is unchanged. No one can change it when you send it to someone else except the person who you expect it to receive. Second benefit, friends, is the digital signatures cannot be imitated by someone else. Imitated means no one can copy it, no one can mirror it. It's the single signature in your name in the entire world. And in this process, manual signature is not required every time you go for any income tax return filing, GST filing, ROC filing, or any other documents you file with the government. And you can sign your Microsoft Excel, Word, PDF, all the documents with this without signing it physically and taking a printout. Fourth benefit is that this can be presented electronically to prove your identity. So you don't have to physically sign a document. Types of digital signature certificates. So there are mainly three types of digital signature certificates: class 1, class 2, and class 3. Each class of DSCs are associated with specific security features and corresponds to a specific level of trust and encryption. However, November 2020, the CCA, Controller of Certifying Authority, who issues the digital signature, they have decided to discontinue with class 2 DSC from 1st Jan 2021. So which means that from 1st January 2021, only one digital signature is in place, which is class 3. So class 3 DSC provides the highest level of assurance and trust, which means that it is safe and secure for any activity, be it e-procurement, e-tendering, income tax return filing, GST filing, and any other services. And digital signature class 3 are issued both to the individual and the organizations. So it is not specific to individuals and organizations separately. They both can request for the certificates. Now we'll talk about why do we need digital signature when we can sign physically on our documents, right? So the digital signature authenticates your identity electronically, right? So it is an easy way to identify yourself at the airport or at any government offices like Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Registrar of Companies, Income Tax authorities, or registering any property, anything, any government details. You can authenticate yourself with this one digital signature, right? And also it provides high level of security. So when you are doing any online transactions, you can make sure that you have absolute privacy of the information what you are exchanging with the third party, right? And you can certificate can be issued and encrypted the information, so when any information what you are sending to the other person, it is encrypted and it reaches to that person in the same format what you have sent, and only that person can open that details, right? And you can, yeah, digitally sign the information, and it cannot be changed in transit, right? In between there is no third person who can change your information. Now we will discuss about the financial use of digital signature certificates. So first use is the filing of income tax returns. As per the section 44 EB of Income Tax Act, e-filing is mandatory for all the individuals and professionals having an annual gross receipts of Indian rupees 25 lakhs and above, and for business houses the annual turnover of Indian rupees 1 crore and above. So both of them e-filing has been made mandatory, and signing of the digital signature certificates is mandatory for them. Second advantage of filing in ITR, which is income tax return via digital signature certificate, is that you need not verify the income tax return using the Aadhaar based OTP or send the signed hard copy to the Bangalore office, which generally people do. You don't have to sign physical copy and send it again if you are filing your return with the help of DSC. Also, you can sign the documents like MS Word, MS Excel, PDF, etc. with the digital signature certificates. DSCs can also be used in e-tendering, e-procurement, GST filing, MCA for registrar of companies e-filing, income tax return, e-filing of income tax returns, and other applications, and many other places. It also plays a pivotal role in creating a paperless office. From the paper mode to the digital mode, DSC plays a pivotal role in that. So fifth advantage is that while receiving or sending any digitally signed documents, DSCs can be used to encrypt the data and send to the other person. Sixth advantage, my friends, are that carrying out web-based transactions you can do with digital signatures, and also you can identify the other participants so that none of your passwords, credit card numbers, nothing goes stolen. So what type of digital signature certificate tokens should you select? So once the digital signature is created, you can carry it in two ways. First is soft token. Soft token is for the individual who is using one machine for its transactions, so it can download the digital signature on one local machine and you can use it from. However, second option is USB token. USB token is an option where you can download the digital signature in one USB token and you can carry it anywhere you want to and you can use it. So most preferred option right now is the USB token, which you can carry anywhere. So friends, this was all about digital signature certificates. If you want to get a DSC, contact me on below given email ID or phone number. You can message me, WhatsApp me. Your digital signature will be with you within hours. And if you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like the contents for all the future updates. If you have any query, put it in comments. I will reply to all your queries. Thank you for listening. Signing off for now. CA Amit Mishra. See you in the next video soon. Thanks. Bye bye.